So guys, for the first method, go to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to search for Windows Explorer. If you do see it here, you want to click on it and then click on Restart Task. Your screen's going to go black. Then it's going to return to normal again. See if that works. For the next method, go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in SFC /scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Now once you complete both the scans, just restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then hopefully this will fix your problem.